It's cheer time! Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing a type of candy which has a lollipop and it's a mixed flavor. And this is going to be so fun and I can't wait to see what it has. So it says on the back that there's different color gummy bear lollipops and there's some pop rocks too which comes with it with 3 flavors: strawberry, orange and green apple. So I'm super excited to try it and let's go right with it. And we have 2 of them actually because when I saw these I screamed because I wanted some. So I have our scissors here and now let's open it up. Yeah, so let's open it up. Okay, there we go. Okay, maybe at the top. Yeah, there we go. Okay, first flavor. Oh, we have green apple. Yay, green apple. Yep, it's green apple right there. And the next one is, oh, again green apple. Okay, so it comes with 2 packs of each flavor, which is super cool if you ask me. The next one is orange. Okay, orange. Pop rocks, which is orange. Okay, I think there's another orange in here. Let's see. Okay, where is it? Yeah. Oh, we got so many now. Okay, we got some strawberry. Yep, there's some strawberry right there. And we got another orange. Yep, it's an orange. Okay, so there's one more strawberry, I think, in the bag. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, there's a strawberry. I see a silver bag, too. Yeah, there we go. There we go, found it. Oh, wow, they're giving the lollipops in the bag, too. I wonder what color we got. There's so many colors you can choose from. I mean, like, we can get some. It's random. So it's maybe yellow, green, red, blue. I don't know. So, let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What color did I get? Wait, is that clear? I don't know. Let me check. Whoa, it's clear! Wow! Clear, which is so cool, guys. And I think all are clear. Let's just see. Yeah, all are clear. Yep, it's all clear. That's fine. So, I can't wait to dip these in the Pop Rocks, guys. It's going to be so exciting. Now let's open the second one and let's see what color we get for the lollipops now. I think the flavors are same. Green apple, orange and strawberry. Let's check. Oh, that's the silver bag for the lollipops. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yep, it's the same flavors. Orange, green apple. Again, orange. And there's the lollipops. Okay, and it has all the colors. There we go. Okay, time to open the lollipops. Okay, whew. Which color now? Wait, I see blue. Wow, what a pretty blue. Okay, look at the blue. Wow, I love that blue. Okay, all are blue. Yes, all are blue. Well, that's so cool. I like the color blue. And actually, it's my favorite color. Okay. One more. There we go. Added that. Yeah. Okay. Now, we are going to open the Pop Rocks, which I think is going to be my favorite part. I can already predict that. So, for strawberry. Yeah. How does it look? I'm so curious. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay. It's such a pretty bubblegum pink. I thought it was going to be red. Like a bubble type of pink. Okay. So, I zoomed in. Now, all the pinks. There's like 4 types of packets for pink. Oh, it's a yellow color. And that's going to be like orange. Okay. Yellow is so good though. Yeah, yellow. Now the next packet. The orange one. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Pour every single little bit. Okay. Now the next orange. And pour. I love Pop Rocks so much. Now it's gonna be green apple. Wow, it's blue. Okay, time to dip the lollipops. Wow. Okay, dip it completely. This is gonna be so good. Dip, dip, dip. Look at it. Wow. Gonna put it in this jar. There. Okay, fast forwarding time because this is going to take a long time, of course. Hey, done! Oh my god, look how yummy and delicious it looks! Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Tasty. I love it. Anyway, Minion, do you want to taste one? No, that's delicious, alright. Here you go. Mmm, yum. Do you like it? Yes, I love it! Yay! Knew Minion was gonna love that lollipop. Anyway, guys, please subscribe and hit the bell and like. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!